Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is land. Here are some words related to the base word. Landed, landfill, landing, landline, landlord, landmark, landmine, landowner, lands, landscaper, coastland, farmland, garland, homeland, inland, island, lowland, mainland, wasteland, wetland. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. Nothing can grow on this dry land. The plane landed safely on the runway. They got rid of the trash in the landfill. The pilot announced the upcoming landing. She called her friend using a landline telephone. The landlord fixed the leaky faucet in the apartment. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris. It is dangerous to play near a landmine. The landowner sold a portion of his property. The explorer discovered new lands during his journey. The landscaper planted colorful flowers in the garden. The coastland offered beautiful views of the ocean. The farmer grew crops on his fertile farmland. They decorated the door with a festive garland. He missed his homeland while living abroad. The mountains are about 2 meters inland. We took a boat to visit a nearby island. The lowland area was prone to flooding. The mainland is the largest part of the country. The abandoned factory turned into a wasteland. The wetland was home to many different types of birds. Now let's review. Land, landed, landfill, landing, landline, landlord, landmark, landmine, landowner, lands, landscaper, coastland, farmland, garland, homeland, inland, island, lowland, mainland, wasteland, wetland. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.